following message is transmitted at the request of the Richmond Police Department. An Amber Alert has been issued to the state of Virginia. At 4:10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the Virginia Museum of Fine Arts has confirmed several child abduction cases. 6 children are reported to be abducted and are currently in extreme danger. The first child is 12-year-old Bianca Ashley. She is a black female, born on June 10, 2006, 4 feet 9 inches tall, weighs 88 pounds, with black hair, brown eyes, and was last seen wearing a pink t-shirt, baby blue jeans and pink sandals. The second child is 9-year-old Megan Eldon. She is a white female, born on September 12, 2008, 4 feet 4 inches tall, weighs 60 pounds, with dark brown hair, blue eyes, and was last seen wearing a gray graphic t-shirt, dark blue jeans and white running shoes. The third child is 14-year-old Eddie Franchise Jr. He is a black male, born on January 22, 2005, 5 foot tall, weighs 112 pounds, with black hair, black eyes, and was last seen wearing a red and white tank top, cargo pants and red sports shoes. The fourth child is 6-year-old Pedro Gardner. He is a white male, born on October 7, 2012, 3 feet 7 inches tall, weighs 45 pounds, with orange hair, blue eyes, and was last seen wearing a white long-sleeved yellow shirt, black shorts and white laceless shoes. The fifth child is 11-year-old Charlotte Strawman. She is a white female, born on April 14, 2008, 5 foot 1 inch tall, weighs 90 pounds, with blonde hair, green eyes, and was last seen wearing a pink t-shirt, white sweatpants and black shoes with red socks. The sixth child is 5-year-old Miles Martinez. He is a white male, born on March 29, 2014, 3 foot 3 inches tall, weighs 37 pounds, with black hair, brown eyes, and was last seen wearing a plaid t-shirt, green pants and black slip-on shoes. All children were abducted by an unidentified white male. This male is seen wearing a rusty hockey mask with few bits of blood covered in it. He appears to be overweight, 6 feet 5 inches tall, and was last seen leaving the museum with the children wearing a dark green jacket, black shirt with a skull on it, and black jeans. He was also seen carrying a massive machete and having a thin mag on his back. The suspect has been recently spotted driving away from the city of Richmond with the kidnapped children in a mini school bus with the number 797 on it. If you happen to see the suspect, any of the abducted children, or the bus, call 911 immediately. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Petersburg Police Department. Another Amber Alert has been issued to the state of Virginia. At approximately 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, it has been confirmed that 7 unsupervised children were abducted at the Swatters Sports Park. The first child is 10-year-old Sam Carbon. He is a white male, born on May 1, 2009, 4 feet 5 inches tall, weighs 70 pounds, with brown hair, dark brown eyes, and was last seen wearing a black NASCAR t-shirt, blue shorts, and red shoes. The second child is 10-year-old Dawn Burlitz. She is a white female, born on January 11, 2009, 4 feet 5 inches tall, weighs 80 pounds, with blue hair, blue eyes, and was last seen wearing a sleeveless black dress with pink highlights, a pink scarf, a white beanie, and brown leather boots. The third child is 3-year-old Raymond Arnoldson. He is a black male, born on August 25, 2015, 2 feet 11 inches tall, weighs 29 pounds, with black hair, light brown eyes, and was last seen wearing a striped t-shirt with trucks on it, baby blue shorts, and black shoes with gray socks. The fourth child is 12-year-old Bryce Daniels. He is a white male, born on December 2, 2006, 4 feet 6 inches tall, weighs 91 pounds, with blonde hair, light green eyes, and was last seen wearing a black t-shirt, gray sweatpants, and black slip-on shoes. The sixth child is 7-year-old Maria Yorkin. She is a Hispanic female, born on July 10, 2011, 4 foot tall, weighs 55 pounds, with light brown hair, dark brown eyes, and was last seen wearing a white zipped-up jacket, black long pants and white tennis shoes. These children are currently taken away from parents by a dangerous man who is yet to be identified. In addition, the Swatters Sports Park will be closed down due to a shooting that also recently happened. It is confirmed that the shooting relates to the man responsible for these kidnappings, as he used a machine gun, identified to be a Ethan Mag, to fire at those trying to apprehend the man. Police officials and the parents of the abducted children are confirmed to be the victims killed in this shooting. Also, this man is believed to be the same individual responsible for several abduction cases over at Richmond. He is a white overweight male armed with a massive machete and Ethan Mag machine gun stored in his back. He was last seen wearing a dark green jacket, a black shirt with a skull on it, and black jeans. It is unknown where he is now, but it is believed that he could be escaping Petersburg in a mini school bus with the number 4010 placed on it separately. If you see this man, the bus or any of the children, report to authorities right away. Do not attempt to combat or apprehend this man. All 12 children currently abducted will be listed in the Virginia News website and must be brought back to safety, whenever possible.
Good morning, America. Ken Lavis here, opening up the latest newsroom stories in Virginia. Our top story for the morning: a master abduction case has been going on since yesterday. 12 children taken from both Richmond and Petersburg are reported to be kidnapped by a mysterious masquerading man. He is not identified at the moment, but he is armed with deadly weapons and is responsible for a shooting that happened at the Swatters Sports Park. Many police officials and adults confirmed to be the parents of some of the kids are pronounced dead at the hands of this individual. Also last night at US Route 460, there was a police chase involving the mini school bus. Explosions happened at the highway as it turns out that bombs were deployed from the bus, rolling to the police cars and instantly blowing up the cars. It is certain that this bus is modified and also poses as a threat to nearby vehicles. To requote from previous Amber Alerts, this is an overweight white male wearing a hockey mask, a dark green jacket, a black shirt with a skull on it, and black jeans. He is seen outside his bus armed with a massive sharp machete and an FN Mag machine gun. He drives an orange mini school bus with the numbers 4010 on it. It is said that he is driving to another city and to adopt more children and will attack anyone who provokes him while doing so. Do not try to apprehend or combat this man yourself, as you can put yourself in extreme risk. And just about now, our services have detected a new emergency alert system about to be played. We will interrupt our programming for the playback of this message. Stay tuned.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Portsmouth Police Department. A third active Amber Alert has been activated for the state of Virginia. The Shepherd Acre in Portsmouth has been infiltrated by the abductor from Richmond and Petersburg, causing another shooting to happen, killing the staff and the founder inside, drugging 15 kids inside with toxic gas and abducting them soon after. The first child is 3-year-old Kendrick Adams. He is a black male, born on September 30th, 2015, 3 feet 1 inch tall, weighs 22 pounds, with brown hair, garnet eyes, and was last seen wearing a striped red and blue shirt, brown shorts, and red shoes. The second child is 4-year-old Aiden Cliff. He is a white male, born on June 1st, 2014, 3 feet 2 inches tall, weighs 30 pounds, with blonde hair, blue eyes, and was last seen wearing an army camouflage shirt, black shorts, and white shoes. The third child is 6-year-old Christina Woods. She is a Hispanic female, born on February 5th, 2013, 3 feet 4 inches tall, weighs 35 pounds, with black hair, brown eyes, and was last seen wearing a purple shirt with a crown on it, black shorts, and pink slip-on shoes. The fourth child is 5-year-old Derek Yorkton. He is a white male, born on October 31st, 2013, 3 feet 7 inches tall, weighs 45 pounds, with light brown hair, dark green eyes, and was last seen wearing a white shirt with a large red stripe on it, green trousers, and black sneakers. The fifth child is 7-year-old Beth Vegas. She is a white female, born on January 16th, 2012, 4 feet tall, weighs 50 pounds, with dirty blonde hair, green eyes, and was last seen wearing a crimson shirt with yellow stars on it, dark blue jeans, red glasses, and gray shoes. The sixth child is 9-year-old Jimmy Hankin. He is a white male, born on December 1st, 2008, 4 feet 6 inches, weighs 72 pounds, naturally bald, honey eyes, and was last seen wearing a red jacket with a hood on, black trousers, and red running shoes. The seventh child is 1-year-old Angelica Palmer. She is a white female, born on August 9th, 2018, 2 feet 6 inches tall, weighs 18 pounds, with blonde hair, gray eyes, and was last seen wearing a pink and purple polka dot onesie. The eighth child is 4-year-old Nina Garcia. She is a Hispanic female, born on March 3rd, 2015, 3 feet 3 inches tall, weighs 33 pounds, with black hair, brown eyes, and was last seen wearing a black Hello Kitty t-shirt, blue jeans, and pink shoes. The ninth child is 5-year-old Doug Reddins. He is a white male, born on April 19th, 2015, 3 feet 3 inches tall, weighs 39 pounds, with black hair, blue eyes, and was last seen wearing a plain white t-shirt, red shorts, and blue socks. The 10th child is 7-year-old Arnold Gregory. He is a white male, born on May 15th, 2012, 4 feet 2 inches tall, weighs 62 pounds, with blonde hair, dark brown eyes, and was last seen wearing a green shirt, a red baseball cap, black jeans, and yellow running shoes. The 11th child is 2-year-old Manny Kago. He is a black male, born on November 11th, 2016, 2 feet 8 inches tall, weighs 21 pounds, with black hair, hazel eyes, and was last seen wearing a gray long-sleeve shirt, sweatpants, and barefooted. The 12th child is 11-month-old Bentley Lionel. He is a white male, born on June 24th, 2018, 2 feet 5 inches tall, weighs 20 pounds, with auburn orange hair, blue eyes, and was last seen wearing a Pampers diaper. The 13th child is 4-year-old Chen Kang. She is an Asian female, born on November 8th, 2014, 3 foot 2 inches tall, weighs 35 pounds, with dark brown hair, brown eyes, and was last seen wearing a red dress and pink slippers. The 14th child is 10-year-old Carlos Marston. He is a white male, born on May 9th, 2009, 4 feet 5 inches tall, weighs 71 pounds, with dirty blonde hair, dark blue eyes, and was last seen wearing squared red prescription glasses, a red polo shirt, cargo pants, and black slippers. The 15th child is 1-year-old Callie Morgan. She is a white female, born on February 14th, 2018, 2 feet 1 inch tall, weighs 14 pounds, with black hair, amethyst eyes, and was last seen wrapped in a white blanket with a pink beanie on. Names of all 28 abducted children can be found on the Virginia News website. All 15 children along with children previously mentioned are stored inside a mini school bus driven by the individual. It is confirmed that the bus is modified, as it was seen last night deploying bombs to get away from a police chase at U.S. Route 460 Eastern. In addition, police were able to identify the man. The abductor is 42-year-old Andrew Oxton. He is white male, born on August 21st, 1976, 6 feet 7 inches tall, weighs 290 pounds, with black hair, green eyes, and was last seen in a dark green jacket, a black shirt with a skull on it, black jeans, black hunter boots, a hockey mask, and drives an orange, modified mini school bus marked with a number 4010, carrying the abducted children, as well as dropping bombs from beneath to blow up any provoking vehicles. He has an incredibly long record of charges, mostly child porn related. This man is very dangerous, as he wields deadly weapons and also has many methods of keeping himself away from police. Witnesses seen the man driving around Portsmouth, likely to find more children to prey on. As a precaution, all residents in Portsmouth are strongly advised to remain indoors and to keep any surrounding children safe as possible. Lock all of your doors and close any open areas. If you see the individual or the bus, dial 911 immediately. Authorities will take action and will do whatever it takes to bring these children back to safety, even lethal force against the abductor. Stay tuned for more information on this situation. Civil danger warning for the Virginia Beach area. Active until further notice. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Virginia Beach Police Department. At around 11:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, 911 dispatchers received multiple calls about shots fired at Woodstock Elementary School. It has been detected that Andrew Oxton, the abductor notorious for abducting almost 30 children across Virginia that are currently in huge danger, was last seen breaking into Woodstock Elementary School in Virginia Beach and causing a mass school shooting, killing teachers, staffs, students that are mostly 6 to 9-year-olds, and the principal. It is unknown how many people died in the shooting, but it is believed to be around 50. He has also drugged 6 students using injectable toxins and abducted them while leaving the school. A 4th AMDER alert has been issued to the state of Virginia. The first child is 9-year-old Preston Rodriguez. He is a white male, born on September 4th, 2009, 4 feet 6 inches tall, weighs 94 pounds, with brown hair, blue eyes, and was last seen wearing a red and green shirt, white trousers, and red shoes. The second child is 6-year-old Erica Palmer. She is a white female, born on July 19th, 2012, 3 feet 8 inches tall, weighs 46 pounds, with blonde hair, blue eyes, and was last seen wearing a green detailed shirt, gray shorts, and black laceless shoes. The third child is 8-year-old Baxter Bright. He is a white male, born on April 11th, 2011, 4 feet 2 inches tall, weighs 60 pounds, with honey blonde hair, green eyes, and was last seen wearing a zipped-up blue long-sleeve jacket, cargo pants, and blue shoes, with red laces. The fourth child is 8-year-old Alex Yeager. She is a white female, born on October 22nd, 2010, 4 feet 2 inches tall, weighs 57 pounds, with black hair, grayish eyes, and was last seen wearing a red polo t-shirt, purple glasses, dark blue jeans, and white tennis shoes. The fifth child is 6-year-old Jonathan Deringer. He is a white male, born on December 17th, 2012, 3 feet 3 inches tall, weighs 45 pounds, with hazel hair and eyes, and was last seen wearing a yellow shirt with white spots, tan trousers, and brown shoes. The sixth child is 9-year-old Sherry Lambert. She is a white female, born on June 17th, 2009, 4 feet 9 inches tall, weighs 51 pounds, with brown hair, hazel eyes, and was last seen wearing a light blue shirt, a pearl necklace, blue jeans, and magenta shoes. All 6 children are students of the elementary school and are stuck inside the mini school bus Andrew stores his victims inside. Andrew is a 42-year-old white male, born on August 21st, 1976, 6 feet 7 inches tall, weighs 290 pounds, with black hair, green eyes, and was last seen in a dark green jacket, a black shirt with a skull on it, black jeans, black hunter boots, a hockey mask, and drives an orange modified mini school bus, marked with a number 4010, carrying the abducted children, as well as dropping bombs from beneath to blow up any provoking vehicles. He has an incredibly long record of charges, mostly child porn related. The Virginia Beach Police Department is on the lookout for this man, and the affected school will be closed down for at least a week due to the shooting. All residents living within a 1-mile radius of Woodstock Elementary are strongly advised to shelter in place immediately, as it is unknown where Andrew is heading next. He could even be attacking neighborhoods nearby. To shelter in place, lock all doors and windows. Shut off all electronics and lights. And most importantly, do not panic. Panicking will make the situation worse than it already is. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen of Virginia. It has been a very tragic day for citizens of Virginia and the United States. Over 50 children and staff were killed in Woodstock Elementary School at the hands of Andrew Oxton, a very dangerous criminal and child abductor never to be approached unauthoritatively. On behalf of Wavy News 10, it is our best interest that we shed light and tears towards the innocent souls lost on this fateful day. We will now rise in a moment of silence to commemorate the losses from that very tragedy. Wait, what the fuck? You're kidding me? Another emergency alert system? God, this better not be... Oh no. No! No!
Civil authorities has reported a fire warning, active until further notice. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Portsmouth Police and Fire Departments. At approximately 6:20 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a small school bus with flammable drum storage cabinets and about full seating capacity has crashed into the Commodore Theater in Old Town Portsmouth at 112 miles per hour, causing the drums inside to react with that much force, the bus to explode, and a huge fire to blaze at the theater. It is believed that this is the same school bus Andrew Oxton has driven to abduct children and to escape after committing a school shooting in Virginia Beach. Firefighters have been deployed to put out the fire. It has been confirmed that the bus is completely destroyed and all 34 abducted children kept inside were killed by the explosion. However, it is unknown if Andrew was also killed or is still alive, as his body has not been found on the bus. The fire is now growing intensely from both inside and outside the theater within minutes. All residents of Portsmouth should evacuate now before the situation gets worse. No safe shelters are detected in the city. Residents are advised to evacuate from city area of Portsmouth and follow all orders given by police officials.
The Commodore Theater fire has been put out. The destroyed bus involved in the crash has been towed away, with everyone inside who are confirmed to be killed from the explosion. It has been confirmed that Andrew Loxton was not killed from the explosion, as his body is nowhere to be found, and has mysteriously vanished from the scene. It is unknown where he is now, but all danger in the state of Virginia has been cleared. All Amber Alerts previously issued have ended. It is now safe to return to the Portsmouth City area. This is an emergency action termination for the city of Portsmouth and the state of Virginia. Your government thanks you for your cooperation. All regular broadcasting networks shall now return to normal programming at this time. This has been the Emergency Alert System, signing off.